Kamusta mga florbalista? Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-dribble, handle ng bola na pwede nyong gawing sa bahay.
Unang drill. I-shuffle natin ang bola from side to side, left and right, eyes up, knees down, and gawin natin to 2 minutes. If nadadalian, pwede nating bilisan. Just always look up and do the drill. Pangalawang drill, shuffle natin from left to right, then going back, while keep looking up at bola from time to time. 2 minutes ulit ang gagawin natin dito. Always look up, knees down. Pangatlong drill, long shuffles. Pinakamalayo ng right and pinakamalayo ng left. Always keep the long shuffles while eyes up, nakatingin sa taas, both hands nasa stick lang, di nagwa one hand, and shuffle until you master it. Pang-apat na drill. Pagsamahin ang long shuffle at maiksing shuffle. From your right, middle short shuffle, left. Short shuffle right, short shuffle left. Ganun lang. Long shuffle, sa gitna ang short. Long, short, long.